Hey guys, I know it's been a very long time since I bought a CD or a DVD, but today I went to RASPUTIN and I bought 14 CDs and 3 DVDs, so I'm excited to show you guys. So let's get started. Let me move my bag all the way. And this is what I bought. Here are the DVDs. Crossroads, iCarly, and another iCarly DVD. So yeah, and here are the CDs I bought. Selena Gomez's new album. It's in the plastic. Charlie XCX Sucker. It's her first one, I think. Zendaya's first album. Surprised they had it in the Target one. And it was sealed in plastic, so I'm excited to hear this. No Doubt. No Doubt Tragic Kingdom. Katy Perry's new album, Smile. I really like the song Smile. It's so good. Katy Perry's first album, One of the Boys. Wanted this one for a while, like 2 years I wanted this CD. Coldplay's album, Viva La Vida. To be honest, like the only song I know on here is Cemeteries of London, and it's so good. And that's how I got into this album. Aqua. This one has the song Barbie Girl. Kelly Clarkson Breakaway. Queen Grace Hits. I wanted this one really badly, so I'm so happy they had it. They actually had like 5 copies of these, and I'm so happy I bought it. Kesha Warrior Deluxe Edition. This one has Come On, Diane, and Crazy Kids. Oh, Crazy Kids is so good. And Miranda Lambert's first album. I wanted this one for like such a long time. Alright, I am going to show you guys the CDs first before I show you guys the DVDs. I'm not showing the booklets because I figured it would take too long. The CD. This is the only country album I bought. I wanted other country albums, but I really wanted this one the most. And I'm going to tear off the price tags once I'm done with the video. So it's so gorgeous right there. Cards and Breakaway. This was $1 and plus I wanted it, so I could not pass on it. It was $1 and I wanted the CD. Cards in My December. Show it's so pretty right there. So happy I found these for just $1. Such good prices. Aqua. I love this cover. I'm surprised I found the CD. I was like, wow, I wanted the CD. I didn't even know how to find it. Viva La Vida Coldplay. And the CD is in here, but I'm not going to take it out because I don't want it to scratch. Katy Perry, One of the Boys. Ball of Fruit. Strawberry Disc. Katy Perry's new album, Smile, and I will unbox this later in the video. No Doubt Tragic Kingdom. This one has Spiderwebs, Just a Girl, and Don't Speak. That case is actually broken, which sucks, but as long as the CD works, that's what matters. Oh no, the booklet. It's better. Oh, Rings of Saturn. Why am I just saying the names now? It's so pretty. It's like a Galaxy. Saturn. Gwen Stefani before she was solo. Zendaya's new album, In the Plastic. Sorry, her first album, and I will unbox this. Charlie That's Sucker. Oops. Syndrome misread. And I will unbox the ones in the plastic soon, but I'm gonna show you guys the DVDs first. Okay. Crossroads, Britney Spears. Won this movie. I was like, oh my gosh, I found Crossroads, can't believe it. iCarly. Season 1, Volume 1. I had to get this because it says I've been wanting to watch iCarly, and I've been watching it for a while on Team Nick. The 2-disc. Hopefully they work. I don't know if they will. Carly and Sam. This too. Has the episodes right here. Oh, special features. Can't wait to see what that is. Then this one. I couldn't pass on this one because it was iCarly. I wanted to get the Drake and Josh DVDs, but they didn't have none of those, so had to wait till next time. And this is just a plain disc. I don't know why those stickers are on there, but whatever. I didn't show the back. Oh, I did. Sorry. I don't know why I thought I didn't show the back. Alright, let me unbox these CDs. I'll be right back.